What's up, YouTubers? PokeJediTrek's here. So today I have another fantastic cooking video for you today. Today I'm going to show you an improvised method on how to make sweet and sour chicken with rice. And there are a lot of different methods to make this, but this is the easiest method on how to make sweet and sour chicken. So let's get started. So to make sweet and sour chicken, you're going to need rice, obviously. You're also going to need sweet and sour sauce, and you're also going to need chicken breast. It doesn't matter if it's breaded or not. It's up to you if you want to add breading or not. I'm going to do it with breading, so let's go over what we need to do. Alright, so first things first, you're going to follow instructions on the best method on how you make your chicken. For me, I'm going to be preheating this oven to 450 to bake the chicken, because that's the instructions on the chicken that I'm making. So yeah, just follow the instructions on your bag on how you make your own chicken is what you basically have to do. And because this is a dial oven, you're gonna have to wait a few minutes to get the oven preheated, and I'm gonna put this chicken on the lower rack and heat it up for 15 minutes. Next up, you're going to follow your own instructions on how to make the rice. Yeah, because the kind of rice you will be making will depend on the brand of rice you buy. So as of right now, I'm going to use this Kirkland traditional basmati rice for my rice. But you can use whatever kind of rice you want. Alright, so the rice is done. Let's give it a stir. Looks like it's been thoroughly cooked. Alright, so the chicken is done. As you can see, it looks very well cooked. So I'm going to transfer it to a plate, cut the chicken up, and put it in the pot with the rice. As you can see, the rice was finished. As you can see, the rice is done already, so let's put it on a plate. Put the chicken on a plate and cut it up. Alright, so as some of you noticed, I cut this chicken up. I had to cut it into pieces that are not too small and also not too short, so I'm going to transfer the pieces to my pot. Set the camera down. As you can see, I got it all mixed. Got it in. Now let's give it a little stir. Then we're gonna turn on the burner to about medium heat, and we're gonna add our sweet and sour sauce. Alright, so I mixed up the sauce and all the chicken together and the rice, so I'm going to get a bowl and we're going to scoop out some in a bowl and test it out. Alright, so this is how your final product should look like, so let's give it a little taste test to see how it turned out. This is pretty good. Even though I'm just an amateur, it's actually pretty good. So that's how to make sweet and sour chicken. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you next time.